Hi, I'm Irvine Mayor Shea. Today, the country and most of the world is fighting to stop the spread of COVID-19. The City of Irvine is no different, as we have activated our Emergency Operations Center to monitor the situation. As your mayor, along with our staff and city council members, we have been working around the clock to ensure that we do everything we can to safeguard our public health. On Thursday, March 12th, at my request, our City Council convened an emergency meeting and deliberated at length concerning the effects of the spread of coronavirus. The City Council unanimously approved a number of preventative measures to preserve the health, safety, and well-being of our diverse community. These measures, along with our Director of Emergency Services, declared an emergency on March 17th, which will stipulate the following. All city-sponsored community events will be postponed to the end of April, including the Great Park Balloon and our carousel. Our 3 senior centers and the Sweet Shade Ability Center are closed until further notice. However, food delivery and pickup services and the TRIPS program will remain in operation. All youth and adult recreation classes, including sports programs, will be postponed until the end of April. Evening and weekend recreation programs, both indoor and outdoor, will be postponed to the end of April. Events at community centers, both indoor and outdoor, will be postponed. This includes weddings, memorials, church services, etc. Our Irvine Animal Care Center is to remain open on an appointment-only basis, and all drop-in services are not available at this time. City Hall is now closed to the public with only essential staff members allowed in the building. Most services are still available, however, meetings will be conducted through telecommunication or some other means. Our Public Safety Department is fully operational. Inside City Hall, we will be taking a number of preventative measures as well. The City Council strongly encourages telecommunication by the public at our City Council meetings, and committee meetings will be canceled until further notice. City Hall, as well as all other city-owned buildings, will complete a spring cleaning and sanitation. All people using the buildings are encouraged to use provided hand sanitizers and other cleaning materials whenever possible. Further, on March 16, 2020, the governor of the state of California issued an executive order that authorized local governments, including the City of Irvine, to create limitations on residential and commercial evictions. The purpose of the executive order is to minimize the impact on tenants during this time of crisis. It only authorizes local limitations on evictions where the basis for the eviction is a substantial decrease in income or a substantial increase in medical expenses caused by the coronavirus. The governor left it to individual cities to determine for themselves whether a limitation on evictions is necessary in their communities. In his words, local jurisdictions, based on their particular needs, may therefore determine that additional measures to promote housing security and stability are necessary to protect the public health or to mitigate the economic impacts of COVID-19. The City of Irvine is fortunate to have strong partnerships with the primary landowners in the City of Irvine. I have been in communications with both representatives of the Irvine Company and 5 Point Communities, and they are both committed to honoring the spirit and intent of the governor's executive order. To memorialize that commitment, I will bring forward a resolution for action by the City Council on next Tuesday's agenda, March 24th. The resolution will acknowledge the needs of the community, the intent of the executive order, and the commitment of our community partners to work with their tenants at this time of need. Our top priority has been and will always be the protection of the residents and businesses in the City of Irvine. If despite our best intentions we see a need to enact a local ordinance to limit evictions, we will immediately do so. Please check our website and the County of Orange website and monitor the news for updated information. With the recent report of 2 new positive coronavirus cases in our City of Irvine, it is important that we all take the necessary precautions. While these preventative measures may cause a temporary inconvenience, we as your City Council and our city staff are first and foremost prioritizing the overall health and well-being of our residents, our businesses, and our visitors. I'm Mayor Shea, and I'm wishing all of you good health, and thank you so much for watching.